Right. It is Monday, November 6th. Hiking a trail. Gonna be hiking some trails a little bit. I'm also gonna be doing some fatwood hunting while I'm out here. For sure. Back out here where I did some fatwood hunting last time. That's gonna be my primary goal, actually. But figured I'd take a look around, see what we can see on a mountain bike trail right now. But it's actually taking me around to where I do not want to go. So I'll get back with y'all here in a little bit and figure out where I'm going. Look at this. Look at that one. Unfortunately, it's too high to get up. It's like about 9 feet in the air. Anyway, I already found some. What do you think of that? That ain't bad looking. Ain't bad looking at all. We're gonna keep going. Taking a break though. Where's you at? All right. Turning into the trailhead. I'm on to another one. So, take a look. I saw some deer crossing the road. I'm actually just parked right over here. I did some fatwood hunting. My first priority was to come out here and have a cup of coffee, and there's deer tracks everywhere here. We'll see if we can catch some on video out here in the woods. But yeah, my first order of business was to have a cup of coffee. But found a downed pine tree, so I went to cutting on it. Found some fatwood. Pretty satisfied with that. I'll show that to y'all later in the video. Find a place to plop down here and have a cup of coffee. I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful area. Nice little trail. Heading off towards where that deer crossed the road, but he's probably gone, maybe. If we come across him, we'll see if we can get him on video. It's like an old dried up creek bed here. Lay down. We're gonna find us a spot here. Have a cup of coffee. I'll get back with you momentarily. Well, saw some deer taking off some trees, but they were off a ways. But they're out here. So looking for a decent place to sit. Sure is a nice area. Nice area. Let's get you turned around. Yep. Yeah. It is a nice area. Big old huge bird. I don't know, probably an owl or something. I don't know if y'all could catch that, but sure is a nice area. Let's find a rock to sit down on. These deer are off over here somewhere. Maybe they will come up on them. I'm still looking for a rock to sit on. Well, there's a bridge. I guess I could use that. Let's go down a little further. See what we can see. Ain't there no damn rocks around here? Can't believe it. Walking down this trail reminds me of like Sleepy Hollow. Wait for the headless horseman to come out. Sure is nice though. The temperatures are nice. I think it's 50, 51, 52, 53, something like that. It's nice. Man, I'm just gonna have to just plop down. Find a spot. Can't find a rock anywhere just to sit on. It's some kind of outcropping or something. I have not seen a single one. So I might just have to sit right here in the middle of this road or something and do it. I'll get back with y'all. Just come up on a deer. Still see his tail. There he goes. Oh, there's two of them. Well, all you saw was tail. But they're out here everywhere. All these trails are covered with tracks and stuff. So, yeah. Pretty cool. All right, let's get to that coffee. Yeah. All right, real quick, I'll just show you. I got this map here. They gave me this nice laminated map where I can keep it. Show you where I'm at. Okay. Right now, I was over here when I went to the Fatwood hunting, right over here. No, actually, I was right in here. But I came back down by the entrance, and there's this trail right here, and I'm on this right here. This is the highway, but I'm still decently far from it because I don't hear it, so I've got to be in between somewhere. And because I went down and then around, so I'm right here. I still got tons of trails to explore, but that's the map. That's warm enough. It's steaming. All right. Well, just wanted to come out and do a little Fatwood hunting, hike these trails, and all that, so, and drink some coffee. My main goal was to come out here and do some Fatwood hunting, and I found some, but then I was like, let's just go and do a little walking, because man, I sawing on those logs took my breath away. Got so excited seeing them. You know, it was actually a down tree. The last ones that I got were off, you know, they were on live trees, but they were dead pieces and stuff. But that was actually a down tree. And I have to say, it looks like it's pretty good stuff. And that's some of the stuff that I'm going to be sending out and things like that to a couple of you guys that I promised that I'd send some to. So, There's like 3 of you that I need to send to. I just got to come up with the money to get it all out. So, just gonna sit here and drink some coffee. Saw some deer already. Their tracks on these trails are everywhere out here. So, and there's no pine trees on this side. This is all oak, and looks like blackjack oak and some cedar, of course. But that's what all this is. That's mostly what we have here, you know. Like I said, all those pine trees where I've done the Fatwood hunting and stuff is planted. See, there's a lot of cedar in there. Some oak over here on this side. There's a lot of oak. You know, that's mostly what's in here is oak and cedar. Looks like more oak than cedar, but there's a few other things. I've seen some walnut, some hackberry, of course. That stuff's everywhere around here too. Good wood, good hard, solid wood, good burning wood too. But there's the trail. This part of it looks rocky and sandy, but I still haven't found any rocks to sit on. So. This is my kind of weather. Cooler like this. It's actually not very windy at all. That way, you know, you can sweat, you know, and feel like it's gonna be like you're okay still, though, you know, like you're not burning up and sweating to death. I'm thinking about going a little farther down there and check it out as soon as I finish this coffee. But I'm gonna sit here and enjoy it too. Sometimes you just gotta get out there in the woods and just get out, you know, and let your mind clear and have fun and everything too. You know, we got so much going on in this world right now. There's so much shit, insanity going on. And sometimes you just got to detach for a minute, you know, and just collect your thoughts and things like that. And just enjoy nature. Just get out and enjoy it, you know. And that's what I'm doing right now. I have to get the wife to come with me sometime when she feels up to it, and all that. I'm going to keep teaching her more ferro rod stuff and get her on that, get the kids on it. But I'll get back with you. I'm just hanging. Sure is nice out here. I have not seen one single person, nothing out here. I wouldn't expect to, really. It's Monday. I'm off today, so I was like, you know what? I'm coming out. Getting closer to the highway. So I should have a trail that goes back around and right back to my truck. So we'll see. I'll get back with you down here in a little bit. And it sure is nice out here, though. It sure is pretty peaceful. I'll get back with you. I'm on that side trail going back. Actually in the woods now, instead of a big trail. Wind's starting to pick up a little. That's kind of a weaving and winding trail, though. Sure is nice, though. Kyle, plant-based outdoors. Jacqueline, plant-based survival. You guys are hammock campers. through this whole trail basically, and it's just this area. And just the trail that I've seen today, there's a lot of trees for hammock camping. You guys ought to come up sometime up here. Take in a night, you know. So, but I'm sure there's a ton of places. I'm gonna explore this place even more. So many trails. I'll get back with y'all. Something's either been rubbing on that or clawing on it. All the way up here. Almost looks like claws. Mountain lion, perhaps? So, I mean, look. That looks like claws. Right there. Holy shit. Mountain lion. We got him. There's the freaking highway. That's how close I am to it. Yep. Oh. If I'm not mistaken, I think that might be some plantain. If I'm wrong, tell me, guys, but kind of fuzzy. Some over here, too. I think that's what it is. Well, this comes to the end of my trail hike video, because right back behind me here is the where I parked at. So I just made one big circle. It's been a nice hike. It's been nice. It's nice and cool. It's nice. I just want to say thank you guys for coming along with me, joining me on this. And always, there's one thing that I want you guys to do, though. One thing that I want you to do is remember to keep it heavy. It's a Cannibal Corpse kind of day, so let's go.